What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja here with another video. It's a really short one, probably 5 minutes or less. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to add contacts to a list. So go ahead and like this video if you like the content, if you like what I'm sharing, and let's just jump into it right away. So to add contacts, you could just go to your left, hit add contacts, and it's going to take you to your list page. Okay, so we'll just wait for that to come up real quick. Now it's going to say what list you want contacts added to. So when you hit that drop down menu, it will show you all the lists that you have currently. And let's say we were going to add it to the test list. Okay, you have one option or two options. You can either just add the contact to the list, or you could add the contact to the list and have them subscribed or added to the autoresponder cycle, which in the previous video, I'll just leave a link to that. In the previous video, I was showing you how to set up an autoresponder. So you can add contacts to a list, but you would have to select if you want these autoresponder emails to be sent to these contacts. Okay, so you just click this little option button here for that to happen. Now there are two ways to add contacts. You could either do that manually by literally typing in the contact information. So if you were to go that route, we would type in, let's say, John is a beast at gmail.com. Okay, name is required, so John Doe. And GetResponse usually asks you, not usually, it always asks if you have permission to add this contact to your list. If you don't, then you know there's possible legal issues with whoever and whatever. But John Doe, yeah, okay. So I have permission, add contact, and that's it. Okay, so that's how you add a contact manually to a list. Now the other option, if you were going to upload a file, let's say you had a file like a CSV file or a Microsoft Excel file that had 10,000 names. Clearly you wouldn't sit there and add 10,000 names manually. So you would select upload a file, use an external service, or paste rows. Okay, so if you're uploading a file, you would just, if you had the window open to that file, you could just click on the icon and hold, and you would drag that file here and let it go and drop it, and it would just load all the contacts. If you wanted to upload CSV files, text files, VCF files, XLSX, so that's Microsoft, I don't know why the name is slipping me, Microsoft Excel, right? Microsoft Excel files, you can do all of those file formats, and you could upload them from your computer. You could even connect services, so you could actually import contacts from these services, right? So if you connect them to GetResponse, you could easily just import contacts from all of these files. Okay, so you can add and update existing contacts. You can only add new contacts, so it would read what's already there and omit those and just add new ones. And you could just update only contacts that are already existing. Really easy, guys. Right? Of course you will be asking you for permission to add these contacts, right? Like we said earlier, you could just paste from a file in this format. So if you have something typed out, it would be email address first, name after, and then custom field after. Maybe there was a field for phone number, right? So for each line, you would copy and paste the email address first, comma, the name, comma, and then the custom field, which could be a phone number, an address, anything like that. Okay, or you could migrate your list. You could migrate a list from another autoresponder source. So you have ones like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact. You can easily upload a CSV file from these files. Again, you have add and update existing, only add new, only update existing, and then you'll select that you have permission to add them, and then you click next, and then the contact will be added to your list. And it's literally that easy. GetResponse is by far the easiest autoresponder I've ever used. Right? I've tried Builderall, I've tried MailChimp. GetResponse is so easy, so clean, so user friendly. So let's just check our lists real quick. And in our test list, we have John is a beast, John Doe, added manually. It shows you added manually over here. IP address shows you what region they're from, and so easy, guys. I kid you not, it's that easy. Okay, so that's how you add contacts in GetResponse. If you like what I'm sharing or have shared, share it with someone who could use GetResponse. There's a link below to a free 30-day trial. There's also a link to a free book that you could use. You just pay for shipping, and that free book teaches you how to drive traffic to your websites, your landing pages, anything that you have online that you're promoting. It teaches you how to drive good traffic to these pages. Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, real quick, I forgot to add, if you are in your list section, you can add contacts by going to this little menu section to your right, these three buttons, and there it says add contacts. You just click add contacts, and it's the same procedure as I shared before, one by one, manually, or upload a file. And once you enter the information, select that you have permission, add contacts, and that's it. But alright, that's it. See you next time.